Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in southern Utah, and today I'm back out here in the Santa Clara Ivins area where we've got a lot going on. I'll be in 3 different locations today giving you updates on the progress of a lot of big projects just like this one behind me. Lots of good stuff going out here in one of the most beautiful parts of southern Utah. Look forward to showing you, so let's get started. First up, we'll talk about this big building behind me, which is the brand new Summit Athletic Club. Things are finally progressing construction-wise. They're hoping to be open by the end of October. I know that they're really excited to get this thing open. It's 40,000 square feet. It's gonna basically have everything that their other location has on River Road and even more. Gonna be awesome. Look forward to seeing it. So make sure to stay tuned for this in the fall. And just up the road from here at Heritage Point, the commercial aspect is being built out. No confirmed tenants yet, but hoping to have some information soon. Now I'm over here on Pioneer Parkway near the Harmons, where this part of town continues to get built out. We've seen the Swig and the Mobetas and the Tag and Go Ace come in over the last 6 months to a year. We've got our newest building. The first tenant is open, Quench It Soda, as well as Royal Thai Cuisine is confirmed. That one's in the works and should be open soon. On top of that, we've got Aloe Urgent Care in the same position. There's a few other buildings around here that are under construction. Fences have gone up in the Harmons complex. Don't have any information quite yet on those, but as soon as I have it, I will update. Now I've come full circle over onto Snow Canyon Parkway, which is one of the main corridors into Santa Clara and Ivins. There's a couple big projects in the works on this corridor that we're going to take a look at, and the first one is right here on the roundabout at Canyon Crossing. So far the gas station's open, Rampage e-bikes is also open. Phil Love Coffee has another location that they're in the works on. Signs are up, should be open soon. And I know there's a couple other stores that are in the works here to round out this complex. Now just down the street from here, we've got an update on Black Desert Resort. The golf course is making really good progress. They're actually seeding the course, a few different parts of the course this week, the putting course as well as the driving range. Sprinklers are going in, water's in the reservoir, and I know on the infrastructure side of the resort, they're hoping to be able to start the underground parking, concrete, all that here pretty soon too. Really good progress on this project. It's going to be one that changes the landscape of this place forever, and I know a lot of people, including myself, are really excited for it. And lastly, just further south from here, just passing the softball fields, we've got Dixies Market, which has been in the works for a number of years now. They're just about finished with the city permitting, hoping to start construction soon and then be finished and open by the end of this year. There will be other retail around here as well. The market will be the anchor. Hoping to have some more updates soon and to see that open by the end of the year. And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, a lot of cool stuff coming out here to Santa Clara and Ivins. Like I always say, it's one of the most beautiful parts of southern Utah, and the more and more we get out here, the better it's gonna be. For more info on what's happening here in southern Utah, you can call me or text me, 435-668-7293, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.